Here's how to fix this channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on both devices so that you'll be able to see all of the content. Now it works a little differently on either device, but you have one option is to hop out of here and open up a web browser. Keep in mind on the iPhone, it lets me change the setting, but on Android, it doesn't. So on either device, you can just go to web.telegram.org. Keep in mind, it's not .com, it's web.telegram.org. So just tap on it and then log into your Telegram account. Within the website-based version, tap on the three lines at the top left, and then tap on Settings. Again, on either device. And now after you've done that, tap on Privacy and Security. And from here, scroll down. You'll be able to see towards the bottom, it says on the iPhone, show 18 plus content. So if that is unchecked, just select it. And on Android, it says disable filtering. So if that is unchecked, just turn on or enable the disable filtering. Now on your iPhone, if you have your iPhone with the Telegram app, you can also just tap on the settings button. And then from here, tap on data and storage. And at the bottom, you can see it says show 18 plus content. Again, you can just toggle this on. For whatever reason on your Android phone, it does not show up with that option within the app. So you're good to go whether you're on iPhone or an Android. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.